And since I have too many Lego, I'm gonna make a bulldozer from a Lego. My activity is making a bulldozer from a Lego. My goal is moving sand from the bulldozer to the dump truck. The materials is Lego, sand, container, and dump truck. To assemble the bulldozer, we're gonna follow from this book. This is the bulldozer. Bulldozer can consist of boom, scoop, cab, engine, tire. To move the boom and the scoop, we need hydraulic. Hydraulic moved by engine. The wheel also moved by the engine. The driver controls the engine so the engine can move the boom and the scoop and the tires. We need the bulldozer so the sand can pour. The sand can go to the dump truck, to the river. Bulldozer, from the bulldozer to the dump truck, to the river, and make some lots of sand to the river because the river is too much water. So we're gonna make a bridge. We're gonna make a bridge from the sand. How to move the bulldozer. We're gonna move the sand from the bulldozer to the dump truck, and the dump truck gonna move the sand into another place.
Oh, it's okay.
Because there's no way. Actually, the bulldozer can too, but sometimes but we can do it from the dump truck. Because the dump truck have a container too, I need to double process from the bulldozer to the dump truck. No, so easy peasy.